Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this SD card when there's no latch for the lock on the SD card, like this. You see, on this SD card, there's a latch that locks it. Now, what you will need to do this, one, you will need the broken SD card, and two, you want a camera or anything that can put an SD card in it. Second, you want a piece of tape, like so. Piece of tape, make sure it's Scotch tape clear, cause that will be the best. Now, I'm gonna show you that the SD card doesn't work in the camera, like so. I'm going to be inserting the SD card into the camera, the one that's broken, like so. You see right there, it says the memory card is locked. Check the tab. You see right there, it says the memory card is locked. And now, on the other one, you see, because it's a little bit hard to take out. It's a little bit hard to take out, so just insert it again and take it out. And you see right there, it's out. And now I'm going to show you the good one, the good SD card. It says reinsert the verify because this SD card was, the broken SD card was in it. Now it works because there's no lock menu on the camera. Now we can do the fix on the SD card. What you want to do is grab a piece of tape like so, but make sure the tape doesn't cover any of the pins right here. Now grab the tape like so. You want to take enough so it wraps around once, like so. Make sure it wraps around the lock right here, and not any of the pins on the SD card. Like so. You see right there, it's about to hit the pin. So what I'm going to do is move it up a bit. Like so, and it should work. You want to tape it like so. Like only once. Like so. I'm taping it another, like once. One more. And then you want to rip it. Tear it. You see right there, it's covered the part where it's broken. It's covered the whole SD card. There's tape. Now what you want to do is get your camera, like so, and insert it in. To make sure that it works. Because when it works, you should not see the menu pop up anymore. You see right there, it says 2 hours and 5 minutes because the SD card got fixed. Right there. Now if you want to take the SD card out, it might be a little stuck in there. So what you can do is use your nails to pinch it like so. Like so. Because the tape around it makes it firm, but it won't come out as easy. You see right there? I can't really take it out. And your pins on the camera will not get ruined like so, because I can insert the other one fine and it will work. The one that works. You see, 'cause I can take video with it, and nothing bad has happened to it. You see right there, it says 36 minutes. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to fix your SD card for free. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.